the court, by 14 votes to 2, reject the request for the indication of provisional measures submitted by the Republic of the Sudan on 5 March 2025. 2, by 9 votes to 7, orders that the case be removed from the general list. The court, lacking prima facie jurisdiction to entertain Sudan's application, cannot indicate the provisional measures requested in order to protect the rights invoked in the application submitted by Sudan. In view of the foregoing, there is no need for the court to address whether other conditions for the indication of provisional measures have been met in the present case. Having come to the conclusion that it manifestly lacks jurisdiction, the court is precluded by its statute from taking any position on the merits of the claims made by Sudan.